Welcome to the world's largest sauna heater factory, located at Harvia's headquarters in Muurame, central Finland. Sustainable development and responsibility guide our operations, and we use only emission-free energy at our factory. Our solar panel system provides about 10% of the energy needed at our unit. We work in 2 and 3 shifts in parts production, assembly, logistics, and maintenance at our heater factory. 210 people are working at the Muurame unit, of whom between 100 and 140 work at the factory, depending on the season. Harvia has more than 1,000 suppliers and partners, and we receive an average of 60 deliveries every day. Harvia Group only works with responsible suppliers. To ensure that quality, ethical, and environmental issues are taken into account, suppliers must commit to Harvia's values and sustainability objectives before cooperation is possible. In logistics, we select supply routes that minimize the environmental impact of our deliveries. In our production, we use a variety of raw materials with thicknesses ranging from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. The raw materials are stored in a high steel plate tower with a capacity of 1.2 million kilograms. More than 3 million parts are produced from the raw materials each year on a self-sufficient basis. On average, 15 tons of steel in various forms are further processed every day at the Muurame sauna heater factory. 700 different products are produced at 30 different assembly points, and every year we manufacture around 200,000 finished products in Muurame, 65% of which are sauna heaters. Production capacity can be significantly increased if necessary. All steel sheets are used in production with 80 to 90% efficiency, and all waste in the factory, including surplus metal, is sorted and recycled. Harvia's Cylindro electric sauna heater is estimated to have been delivered worldwide in over 250,000 units, making it the world's most popular pillar heater. Every sauna heater manufactured is tested to ensure that the product is safe to use and meets the necessary local and international requirements. Harvia's products are designed to be safe, serviceable, and long-lasting. We also offer a wide range of spare parts for product maintenance. Our products are continuously improved, and any quality deviations are recorded in the factory quality statistics at the production, and their root causes are identified and resolved in case of errors. Our products have unique serial numbers, which are recorded in our systems for product traceability. Harvia invests in occupational safety as part of our sustainability program. All workplace deviations, near misses, and possible accidents are recorded in our safety statistics, and corrective actions are taken forward under the supervision of the Health and Safety Committee. Continuous improvement is in the DNA of our company. This is reflected in part production. For example, by increasing the degree of automation, we are constantly looking for and exploring new technologies and their potential for use in our operations. On average, 100 deliveries are made daily from Muurame. Each year, deliveries are made to around 1,200 different customers and around 90 different countries. Products are being delivered to our customers, where they continue their trip to end users, bringing the health benefits of sauna into everyday life.